Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 10, the name of the unit is The Banyan Tree. Now, I am going to tell you the story of this unit, The Banyan Tree. What happened in this unit? See, it's a two parts, part 1 and part 2. What happened in the first part? Let's see. The boy lived with his grandfather in Dehradun. The boy lived with his grandfather in Dehradun. There was a grand old banyan tree in the garden of that house. See the picture here. Big banyan tree in the garden of that house. The boy enjoyed sitting in that tree. Where? Sitting in that tree. From there, he used to spy on the world below. The boy used to spy on the world below. Since the grandfather could not climb the tree, it belonged only to the boy. There was a squirrel. See the picture here. Picture of whom? Picture of squirrel. It became his friend. Whose friend? The boy friend. Only when it became certain that the boy had no catapult or air gun. Later, when the boy started to bring him pieces of cake and biscuit, the squirrel was soon taking morsels from his hand. See, in the spring, all kinds of birds. In the spring, all kinds of birds flocked into its branches, and the tree became the noisiest place in the garden. What? Different kinds of birds. They are gathering there, and that place, that tree became the noisiest place in the garden. The boy had built what? The boy had built a crude platform on the tree where he spent the afternoons. When it was not too hot. Sitting there, he had read many books. Who? The boy. Sitting there, he had read many books like this: Treasure Island, Huckleberry Finn, and the story of Dr. Dolittle. Thus, the banyan tree served the boy as a reading room. What? Boy as a reading room. When he did not feel like reading, he looked at the world below. On one such afternoon, he saw the famous fight between a mongoose and a cobra. See the picture here. Fight between whom? Mongoose and a cobra. Now comes to second part. What happened in the second part? See. It was a very hot afternoon in the summer season. It was very hot afternoon. The narrator saw a big black cobra coming out of cactus. Big black cobra. Coming out of what? Coming out of cactus. At the same time, a mongoose emerged from the bushes. A mongoose emerged from the bushes and went straight for the cobra. In a clearing beneath the banyan tree, they stood face to face. Clearly, there was to be a battle of champions. There was to be a battle of champions. Then, the cobra was about 6 feet long and the mongoose about 3 feet. 6 feet long and mongoose only 3 feet. The cobra spread his broad hood and the mongoose bushed his tail. Besides the boy narrator, there was Maina and a crow looking at the battle. What? At the battle. Then what happened? Mongoose made. Who? Mongoose. Mongoose made a pretended move to one side. The cobra struck. However, before it could touch him, the mongoose had jumped to one side. While doing so, he also bit the snake on the back. Where? The snake on the back. A few drops of blood glistened on the cobra's back. Where? At the cobra's back. There were many such rounds, and every time the mongoose was the victor. What? The mongoose was the victor. During one such round, the crow came. Who came? The crow came. In between and became a victim of the snake bite. Then see the picture, cobra and mongoose, and the snake. See the picture of crow, victim. The cobra was gradually weakening. Ultimately raising himself on his short legs. The mongoose had the big snake by the snout. by the snot. The snake made its last attempt to fight, but in vain. But in vain. When it had ceased to struggle, the mongoose gripped. The mongoose gripped it round the hood. It round the hood. And dragged it into the bushes. Dragged it where? Into the bushes. So friends, this is the story of Unit 10. What is the unit name? The unit name of the banyan tree. I hope you understand about this unit. In the next class, I will tell you the story of this unit in Hindi. Thank you for listening me.